This unit is going to deal with congruency and triangles. This section specifically, we're going to identify congruent triangles and corresponding parts. As part of your notes, the assignments are included. So after the day 2 video, you will end the assignment. You will then submit the entire packet as one assignment. So the houses below are located in San Francisco. The two triangles outlined have the same size and shape. So suppose triangle ABC, we could just take it and slide it right over to fit over triangle DEF. When they're matched this way, A and D are called corresponding angles, and sides AC and DF are called corresponding sides. Corresponding angles and corresponding sides are examples of corresponding parts. Figures are congruent if all pairs of corresponding angles are congruent and all pairs of corresponding sides are congruent. So what is shown here is congruencies that are the same size and shape, and triangles that are not congruent because they're different sizes or shapes. So in example 1, we're going to list the corresponding parts given that we know triangle JKL is congruent to triangle RST. List all of the corresponding parts. So based on the congruency statement itself, which is the triangle JKL is congruent to triangle RST, that's called a congruent statement, we can match up, and they're color-coded, J with R, K with S, and L with T. So triangle or angle J is congruent to angle R, angle K congruent to angle S, and angle L congruent to angle T. And then likewise we can do the sides. JK is congruent to RS, KL congruent to ST, and JL congruent to RT. So take notice that in a triangle there's 3 pairs of corresponding angles and 3 pairs of corresponding sides. In example 2, we're asked to identify all the corresponding congruent parts and then write a congruent statement. And that congruent statement, again, is that triangle blah, 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 congruent to triangle blah, blah, blah. So the first thing we're going to list, and we can list these now based on the congruencies that are marked. So the single arch, we have angle B congruent to angle D. The double arch, we have angle C congruent to angle E. And the triple arches are angle A congruent to angle F. Likewise, the single marking for the side, BC, is congruent to the single marking, DE. The double marking, we'll just say BA, congruent to DF. And then the triple markings, AC, congruent to FE. To write the congruent statement, I'm going to just use my angles BCA, so I'm going to call it triangle BCA congruent to triangle DEF. Okay, what follows then is the assignment. So it's marked here and it's already listed here. So you need to work on the assignment.